Today we are going to be showing you our new ball lock savings calculator feature on our website. First, you are going to want to go to www.jergensinc.com. Once you have arrived to the home page of our website, on the top navigation bar, click on Knowledge Centers and scroll down to Ball Lock Knowledge Center. Once you have arrived on the Ball Lock Knowledge Center page, click on the Calculator tab. You have now entered our newest savings tool. Simply add in statistics based on your machine or shop numbers and you will see how Ball Lock can save you money.